The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite. Its diameter is about 1/4 of Earth's, comparable to the width of Australia, making it the fifth largest satellite in the solar system, and the largest and most massive relative to its parent planet, discounting Pluto, Charon as binary dwarf planets. It is larger than all known dwarf planets in the solar system. The Moon is a planetary mass object with a differentiated rocky body, making it a satellite planet under the geophysical definitions of the term. It lacks any significant atmosphere, hydrosphere, or magnetic field. Its surface gravity is about 1/6 of Earth's at 0.1654 GeV. Jupiter's moon Io is the only satellite in the solar system known to have a higher surface gravity and density.